Hello, welcome back to Stories with Coach Sujata. A group of frogs was moving from one place in the jungle to another place in the jungle because their pond was drying up. While they were doing that, suddenly two of the frogs fell into a very deep pit. The pit looked so deep from on top that it was almost bottomless. It looked bottomless to the other frogs. So all the other frogs were peering down this pit and asking their two companions to stop struggling. They said, "Stop jumping. Stop trying to get out of the pit. Stop trying to do all of this that will only lead to more and more pain for you. Accept your death. Accept it gracefully because there's no other way out." So both the frogs, without listening to their friends, kept trying to jump out of the pit. Such people, we see them even in real life. They're called naysayers. They're also called detractors. These are those people who try to stop us from achieving what we dream to achieve. They say, "No, you shouldn't do this. No, it's not possible." Or in Hindi they say, "तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. तुम क्यों ये सब try करते रहते हो?" So these are people who actually spread a lot of negativity and self-doubt. So that is exactly what was happening near the pit, near the mouth of the pit. So these other frogs were standing there and constantly asking the two frogs inside the pit to stop jumping, just to give up and accept their fate. One of the frogs listened to them. It became depressed and in fact jumped deeper to its own death. The other frog though did not do so. He kept jumping higher and higher and higher, but he wouldn't even come halfway close to the entire length of the pit. He would look up and he would see all his friends shouting and saying, "Don't do this. Don't try to make it even more difficult for you. You'll face a lot of pain. Why don't you just accept your death gracefully?" But this frog did not give up. And as divine ordinance would have it, as luck would have it, and because of the sheer grit and determination that he had, he was successfully able to jump out of that huge pit. Don't you feel good when you hear this? And once he jumped out of the pit, all the other frogs said, how was it possible? It was like you were literally flying. It was like you had these wings to fly out of the pit. How did you do this? And then the frog said, but I thought that all of you were cheering me up. You were actually egging me on, asking me not to give up. You were all encouraging me to jump out of the pit. And then the other frogs realized that this frog was partially deaf. So he could not hear what was happening around him. So what happened instead? He thought that all his friends were in fact encouraging him to get out of the pit. So the moral of the story, my friends, is do not pay heed to your detractors. Do not pay any heed to people who say that you cannot achieve it. तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Just go on. Pursue your dreams relentlessly. And when you do it, the harder you work, the luckier you get. And the more your self-confidence will build, the clearer your dream will be, and the easier it will be for you to achieve those dreams. So are you all with me here today? Because in real life, we have a lot of such people who try to constantly pull us down with their little remarks, with their sharp barbs, with their criticism, with their faces, with the sarcasm in their voices, in their tones of voice. Don't we all know such people? So what do? Ignore such people. Such toxic people who try to pull you down are not worth living with. But then sometimes you still have to live with them because of the kind of circumstances you have, and more importantly because you don't want to give away that relationship. So don't pay heed to the naysayers. Think that they're actually encouraging you like the other frogs were, and Keep leaping till you fly. Thank you so much for listening to Stories with Coach Sujata. Do like, subscribe and share with all your near and dear ones, because this story actually may be of benefit to so many other people as well. Please spread the good word. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead.